Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Tributes continue for legendary track and field coach Stephen Francis, who passed away Saturday after battling illness. Coach Francis was 64 years old. Stephen Francis, the visionary coach who helped to shape the careers of some of Jamaica's most successful athletes. Global champions including Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Herah and Sharika Jackson, as well as former 100-meter world record holder Asafa Powell. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said, by guiding many of Jamaica's legendary and most accomplished athletes to stardom, Stephen's contribution to building brand Jamaica is immeasurable and worthy of high praise. He said Coach Francis was a patriot who wanted the best for his country, and Jamaica has lost a remarkable son whose impact will be felt for generations. Opposition leader Mark Golding said Coach Francis has revolutionized our sport by proving that Jamaica could develop world-class athletes right here at home. Mr. Golding added that Coach Francis gave Jamaica's young athletes belief, discipline, and opportunity. Coach Stephen Francis was a co-founder and technical director of the MVP Track and Field Club, which started in September 1999.